My name is Keith McClanahan, and I'm one of the principals of FM Benchmarking. I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to sign up and be running in less than 1 hour. First, please make a note of the website URL. It's the only thing you need to write down while viewing this session, and I'll show it again at the end of this video. To register, just go to fmbenchmarking.com. There's also additional information on the home page that you may want to review. First, let me point out the free interactive demo. This is an opportunity to test drive FM benchmarking with real data from your buildings. You can input your data and then produce some reports and charts based on them. Also, there are a series of white papers that explain the benefits of benchmarking and a cost savings calculator. Here you can input the area of your facility and see what the savings would be from benchmarking over any period from 1 to 5 years. In this example, we show that a 100,000 gross square foot facility would save more than $200,000 by using FM benchmarking. After you've considered the advantage of subscribing to FM benchmarking, it's time to register. Click on the Subscribe Now button to register your company, then enter the info requested on the form. Wherever there is a required field is shown with an arrow. After you complete this form, click on the Submit button. Decide how many buildings to order and whether you want the costs or sustainability survey or both. There are discounts available for multiple buildings. A single building subscription for both surveys costs $375, but a 10 building package is only $300 per building. If you want to purchase more than 20 buildings, there are substantial discounts, so contact us directly. Select the number of buildings you wish to input, enter your credit card info, and click the Purchase button. You will go to the Add Buildings page, and you are ready to begin benchmarking. Register your first building by clicking on Add a Building, input your building name, address, etc., and then click on Manage Users to add more users. Continue to add additional buildings or start to input your data. Click on the Data Entry tab and select Demographics. Some critical information is needed to compare your data with others. We will need the fiscal year end, gross square feet, type of business, and the full-time equivalents. After you have entered this data, click Submit and click on the Data Entry button again, only this time select Utilities. For this section, I have turned on the Super Quick feature. This shows you which data fields are needed to begin making benchmarking comparisons. Note that there are only 4 items in this energy section and a similar amount in the energy consumption section. By entering these items first, you can begin using FM benchmarking to see which strategies would reduce your costs by the greatest amount. Click on the Analysis tab and select your survey. You can see the headings for the various filters you can utilize. FM benchmarking has a substantial amount of comparative data, but you should use the filter options sparingly so that you obtain a good sample. For this video, we have chosen just a couple of broad filters: size greater than 600,000 gross square feet and campus facilities. We need to choose at least a couple of filters since FM benchmarking needs to have samples size of fewer than 500 buildings. In our video 3, you can see examples of how this data is analyzed. Thanks so much for viewing our video today. To get started, you should kick the tires. Study examples on the FM benchmarking site, try out our interactive demo, and decide how many buildings you want to benchmark. You can add more buildings anytime within the first 60 days and obtain the maximum volume discount. Decide whether you want costs, sustainability survey for each building, or both. Order online through fmbenchmarking.com.